Hey, you know how there's lots of money-making scams going around on the internet, including this platform? Let me show you how I made £4,000 doing this last year, and I'll talk you through it. I know £4,000 in a year is not a great deal of money, but it's quite a bit on the side. There's a lot of people now turning to crafting to make extra money, on Shopify and Etsy to sell their stuff. Well, I had this idea to supply some of those people with their supplies that they need but don't know how to get. So off I went to my local scrap merchant and said, have you got any pewter? Now I pay £1.60 a kilo, and after refining it like this to get all the rubbish out and pouring it into the moulds, which cost me a £5 each, I sell it on my Etsy store, themanwiththehat.co.uk, or see the link in my profile, and I sell it for £11 for 150 grams, about £90 per kilo, and it cost me £1.60 a kilo. That's why I made a profit of £4,000 last year. And now I'm retired, I don't mind sharing this little tip and trick because pewter is now in short supply. You can thank me later.